Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a stunning 1967 Plymouth Satellite. Guys, this car is just undergone it's a 3-year-old Rotisserie Restoration. It's painted body color on the bottom. You can take this car right to a car show, put mirrors underneath it. Stunning, stunning car. It's got less than 1,000 miles on it since the car was done. It's got a 426 cubic inch Hemi in it. It's not an original Hemi car. Of course, the Hemi was added. It's a 727, all professionally built 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, 8 3/4 rear end. Beautiful. Beautiful car. This is a factory color combination, the turquoise metallic with a pearl white interior. And guys, they have done a phenomenal job building this car. It runs and drives excellent. A buddy of mine, Mike, actually found this car for me, and he made me promise him to go drive this thing before I advertised it. This thing is just as tight as can be, as smooth as can be. Just a great, great car. You can see how nice the trim is. This is personally my favorite body style in the world. I love these cars. If you know much about them, normally a lot of this trim and stuff, you can't find a lot of parts for these cars. So somebody's had this stuff all sent out and redone, and I'll tell you, they did a beautiful job. Gorgeous paint on it. There's not a whole lot you could really pick anywhere on this car, guys. This thing is stunning. We found one little mark where it looks like they kind of rubbed through the paint when they were wheeling it out, but that's about it. A little light spot. This car is gorgeous. Love the color combo. Look how nice the little trim pieces are. Again, the Resto is about 3 years old, less than 1,000 miles on it since it was done. Pretty, pretty car. You can see how nice those are. Those are definitely either bought new or redone. Look how nice the tail panel is on the car. Car's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. A little bit of that staggered look. 15-inch Magnum 500s. It's got the GTX rear exhaust tips on it. Of course, it's a Satellite, not a GTX. That is a gorgeous car, guys. Does have front disc brakes. Look at the wheel wells in there. Like I said, we got it up in the air, took some good pictures of the bottom of this car. Very impressive. This is a 70 date-coated 426 Hemi. So it's not a crate engine, it's actually a date-coated Hemi. What's super cool on this car, this is a direct connection. It's a rare Mopar setup. If it's from the 70s, a direct connection 6-pack setup. So it's got 6-pack carbs and intake on this thing. Hemi exhaust manifolds, power steering, front disc brakes. It's got an MSD 6A box on it. It's got a all pro built 727 reverse manual valve body transmission with a 11-inch Coan converter. 25 to 2800 stall speed on it, converter on it. Gorgeous car, man. It's your original fender tag. We also have the original broadcast sheet for the car. Of course, it's not an original Hemi car, but love this car, man. Just stunning. There's not too many times you can actually say on an old car that this thing drives better than it looks. This thing really does, man. Drives out awesome. Nitpick the A-pillar chrome there a little bit. Mirrors are nice. Door handles have been replaced. Pretty color combo. It's got all new Legendary interior in it, Legendary carpet. Bucket seats, console, it's a factory dash, got some aftermarket gauges, aftermarket tach in it. The trans was done by a guy, I guess he does top fuel cars. So it's got a heck of a trans in it. 2,800 miles, 28,064 miles showing on the odometer. I'm sure that's 128. But again, less than 1,000 on the restoration. Aftermarket autometer tach, some pro gauges. That's a factory vacuum gauge. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio monitor underneath the dash. It's all H-pipe Dynomax dual exhaust. There's one little light spot you can kind of see in the paint. Nothing hideous, just want you to see it. H-pipe Dynomax dual exhaust. It's got 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear end in it. This car's got all the original panels. We haven't seen anything where they've changed any panels on the car. Fit and finish is excellent. And again, we got it up in the air. Literally drive this thing to a show, put some mirrors underneath it. It's all body color underneath. Beautifully done. Pretty car. Dash is nice, gauges are nice and clear, steering wheel's nice. Thing is dialed right in, man. How many Hemis do that? 10.5 to 1 compression, so it runs out pump gas. That is a good looking car. Love that option on 67s. Max functional gauges. Only it doesn't look like it's on is the voltmeter. Oh, the voltmeter's up in the dash working. Yep. If I can get behind it, you can see it. It's working. Even the vacuum gauge works. Boy, it's a nice car, guys. Backup lights work. Well, that's a good car, man. Radio works. Blower motor, Jay? Yep. Blower motor works. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook and our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that's nice. Doggone it, that's a nice car. Have a great day, guys.